Before you make the decision to purchase WP Engine VPS, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down 12 things to keep in mind before committing to WP Engine, especially when compared to competitors like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. Stick around till the end to hear why WP Engine might not always be the best choice for everyone. First off, WP Engine specializes in managed WordPress hosting, which means they handle updates, backups, and security for you. But here's the catch. You'll pay a premium for this level of service. So, if you're looking for a more affordable option, you might want to check out alternatives like Bluehost, which offers lower tier plans with similar WordPress support, but without the hefty price tag. Next thing, let's talk about speed. WP Engine is known for its fast performance, especially with its managed hosting. Their VPS hosting is optimized specifically for WordPress, which means faster loading times compared to shared hosting providers. However, other VPS providers like HostGator and SiteGround also offer impressive speeds, but they may require more manual optimization, and you won't have the same level of hands-off service that WP Engine provides. The third thing to consider is scalability. WP Engine's VPS plans are scalable, but they're not as flexible as some competitors. For example, SiteGround allows you to easily upgrade and add resources, making it a better option for businesses that anticipate rapid growth. WP Engine's scaling options are a bit more restrictive and might require a jump to a higher priced plan. The fourth thing, let's look at support. WP Engine's customer support is exceptional, with 24/7 access to WordPress experts. They even have a dedicated support team for their VPS clients. But other VPS providers like Bluehost and HostGator also provide 24/7 support, although their support teams are not as specialized in WordPress as WP Engine's. Now, WP Engine is known for its top-notch security features, including free SSL certificates, malware scanning, and automatic daily backups. While other providers like SiteGround also offer great security options, WP Engine has more advanced features out of the box, making it a stronger contender if security is a top priority for you. Next thing to consider is the user interface. WP Engine's control panel is clean and intuitive, which makes it great for beginners. However, some users might find it a bit too simple compared to more customizable options like cPanel used by competitors like HostGator and SiteGround. The seventh thing you should know is that WP Engine is more expensive than most VPS providers. Their starting prices are higher, and while the performance and features are solid, you're paying for the convenience and premium service. If you're on a budget, you might find better value with Bluehost or HostGator, where you get more control over your VPS environment at a lower cost. Next, let's talk about backups. WP Engine offers automatic daily backups, which is a lifesaver for most users. However, other VPS providers like SiteGround also provide backup services, though they may charge extra for higher frequency backups. With WP Engine, these backups are included in your plan, which is a nice bonus if you want a worry-free hosting experience. The ninth thing you should consider is the data center locations. WP Engine has data centers in the US, Europe, and Asia, but if you need a more global reach, providers like SiteGround have even more diverse locations, which can help with site performance across different regions. The 10th thing to consider is WordPress-specific tools. WP Engine includes built-in tools like staging environments, one-click restores, and even performance insights, making it a solid choice for WordPress site owners. Competitors like Bluehost and HostGator offer WordPress hosting, but these extra features aren't always included, requiring you to use third-party plugins. The 11th thing to keep in mind is WP Engine's reputation for reliability. With 99.95% uptime, WP Engine rarely experiences downtime, and if they do, they offer an uptime guarantee. Competitors like HostGator and SiteGround also offer strong uptime, but WP Engine's performance is one of the best in the industry, especially in the managed WordPress VPS space. Finally, WP Engine is a good choice for people who want a managed, high-performance hosting solution without the hassle. But if you're looking for something more cost-effective or more control over your VPS environment, there are other providers that might be a better fit for your needs. It's definitely a solid option